There's stuff in that.
Oh god.
What was it?
I need all the little
This seems great.
anything that's important needs to fit in this bag and leave this room in about 3 minutes.
Ew.
Probably dip spit and cigarettes, butts. Oh damn, I still got something in it.
It's dip spit.
I threw a monster can over that way.
Yeah, it went back that direction.
Yeah, pretty quick.
About this fast.
No, I can see her that way. Oh!
We're retarded.
Are you recording this?
Mm-hmm.
I need more shit.
I need more shit. I need more bass, baby. Are you kidding me? That was Dr. Pepper case.
You can't touch anything.
Maglite.
No, God! Oh, I thought he threw it. Damn.
The other can.
Maglite.
I seriously thought you threw that damn thing. Oh, shit. What was that?
2 things.
He's kind of pissed. I just...
Oh.
Ouch.
I'm in
My
in the ass. I whipped you like a slave.
Take a piss.
Whoa! Nigga, ow, fuck, that hurt. Throw this up against the fan.
I see you pee. I see you pee.
I cup.
I cup. I see you pee. I see you pee. I see you pee. See you pee.
Here.
Are you done? Shake it a little. Shake it a little.
Like this.
There you go.
Shake it like this.
Throw some at him.
No, I'll do this.
I about fell in the abyss. Ah! Yeah, it's doing. Oh, it gets. Whoa. Reflectors get really bright on camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Stop for a second. Look at my. Look at the reflector.
Oh shit.
Shit, let me throw one. I want to throw one. Oh my god. That was right beside my head. Yours are gay.
Mine go through.
This is mine. Damn it. That was bad.
There's gotta be more down there, Braxton. Make sure they don't have dips in.
Bob.
That's an aircraft carrier.
Buttle up. Ow. Hit my head. Hit my noggin. Hit my hoggin. Shit. Hit my hoggin. Break.
What was that? Is that tape? That's paper tape.
Paper tape. Paper tape. Paper tape. What the hell is paper tape? There's a can. No. No. That is insanely violent. Yeah. Yeah. Ow.
Ow! What?
Where's Dart?
They came back to me.
I thought that was gonna sit straight up, like.
Doing it!
Whoa! That was loud! That was loud!
Fire 2!
Lord, Cuba, I hate you.
Oh, it's probably taking a
Hook Cuba's ass.
minute. Hey!
Did you hit your head?
No,
You're gonna go take a shit, so you're bringing your guitar out.
I've done it before.
Play me a song, Cuba.
While you're taking shit.
Play me a song, Cuba. Play me a song right now. Move. That's an acid trip. Body shakes. I was like on a close up on your face, and it was just like, we gotta watch that now. Bye-bye!